Welcome back to Kim's Art Alchemy. Today I am going to do a bloom and I'm going to do the lace effect technique. So I thought I would try doing both in layers. So obviously I'm going to do the bloom first, let that cure, and then I'm gonna do the lace effect on top and see what I get. Why not, right? So I am using NicPro resin. It is a 1-to-1 resin. I let it get up to 90, I think it was 93, 94. And I decanted 10 grams. So I mixed up a total of, ooh, that's a lot. I mixed up a total of 40 grams of resin, and I'm using that Julie's Bloom paste. Decanted the 10 grams, and obviously put like a drop and a bit in here. And this is what I'm going to use to bloom with. So while that's amalgamating and doing its stuff, I'm gonna drop my inks. So I'm going to use Summit and Sweet Dream by Artfinity, both alcohol inks. And I'm gonna drop this in first. 1 drop of that. And I just wanna do a little bloom. And 1 drop of that. I'll let that, you know, spread around. I'm not torching where I put the alcohol ink yet. And I think we're ready. Gonna do little drops, or little petals, I should say, hopefully. And now to deblob. Simple as that. And now we wait. I'll be back when this layer is cured. We are back for part 2, and in this one I am using 3 ounces total of the ArtPro resin, which is a 3 parts A to 2 parts B, and I mixed up a total of 3 ounces using ChatGPT to figure that out for me. Oh my gosh, Acorn. I don't know what's up her skirt right now, as it were. Well, that's pretty good. I am using piggy paste, and it's actually called High Tide Piggy paste. Oops, I just threw it off. So I'm mixing that into 10 grams of resin. I let this resin heat up to 90 degrees. Then I decanted the 10. And I'm gonna take whatever these big blobs are off my stick, because I found that they all get blobby on the edge. So this is one that I did before, and I'm using the exact same colors again, but can you see a little bit of blobbies? This right here though, I think is from me trying to chase out the bubbles. I'm 99.9% sure. So don't chase out bubbles when they're in the corner. Can we mix this? So I decanted, remember, at 90. Let's see where we're at. 95. Okay, that's still good. But it just means I need to get this in there. Do one last super mixy. And now we pipe around the edges. So I'm gonna do a thin line, hopefully. That's pretty good. You did a damn good job. Go me. Now we dump this in right on top. And as always, I have my pyramid of cups. All right, now I can torch in the middle before I add the alcohol inks. Okay, so since I started all this, it's already been just over 4 minutes. So I'm not gonna torch where the white is. I'm just torching that center part. Okay, let's see, what do I have? Blue. So that purple went to the very center. I really want the blue on the outside. Okie dokes. I'm using the same colors as before, the Artfinity. Now I'm gonna do that blue right in the middle. 2 drops in the middle. That is basically it. No torching from now until it fully cures. That's it. Look, you can still see my rose in the middle. Aww. I'm gonna bring you down. Oops, I kind of hit it there. Look at that. Why is it so dark? Why is the screen so dark? Let's make this lighter. Okay, not that light, maybe. Look at my rose. Okay, I can tell this is gonna work because I'm seeing those little spots show up. All right, I will be back. We're back and it's time to demold. I'm so excited to see this. The backside looks really pretty too. All right, how did my two different resin experiment turn out? We're about to find out. Oh, pull that out. Okay. Oh, I'm a little nervous. All right, let's do it. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, that is beautiful. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I am so doing this again. For sure. I love it. Okay. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? And look, even that little swirl in the center is perfect. Yep, Acorn likes it. Her bark of approval. Oh, anyway, okay, I'm gonna get control of myself here. Thank you all so much for being here. Please let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. And thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. If you're new to my channel and you like what I've done, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way, when I upload another video, you will be notified. All right, thank you for being here. Bye for now.